Hi guys, it's Kerry here from Kerry on Dancing. I hope you're having a good week. I'm here today to teach you the choreography for another fun dance that I use in my classes. This one's called Mambo number 5. The song's by Bega. It's actually a line dance, so it's quite short and it repeats and it rotates. So there's not much to it. It's just picking up about 3 or 4 lots of 8, I think it is, and then learning how to rotate it. For the purposes of the video, I'm going to teach it with my back to you, and I'm going to just teach it facing one way, because if I start rotating, it gets confusing as to what foot you use, okay? I will show you how to add the rotation on, but I'm just going to dance it all facing the same way so that you don't get too confused. There is a second video with myself and Lauren dancing it. So if you want to dance along with us in that video, we are dancing it facing one way, but we're moving backwards and forwards instead of rotating around the room. Okay, again, so you can keep an eye on what foot you're supposed to be using and when. Okay, so to start with, we're going to start, if I start with my back to you, you're going to start with your weight on your left foot. You're going to bring your right foot in on and then it goes out, in, cha, cha, cha. We repeat that with the left foot. And out, in, cha, cha, cha. We then do some salsa steps. So with the salsa, you're going to step forwards and back and forwards and to each side, but you always come back to the middle, okay? So you're stepping forward with your right foot, forward and close. You dance back with your left foot, back and close. You dance to the side with your right foot, side and close, and you dance to the left, your left foot goes to the side, side and close. Okay, so all together that step a little bit faster is forward and close, back and close, to the right, to the left. Okay, so from the beginning, weights on your left foot, you get and out, in, cha, cha, cha. And out, in, cha, cha, cha. Right foot forward, left foot back, to the right, to the left. Okay, from there, we do a little cha-cha-cha step forward. So it's like a lock step that we use in the cha-cha-cha. You start with your right foot and you get cha, cha, cha. Okay, so that just goes right, left, right, left, right. Okay, then we do 3 Cuban breaks, which are, again, they're cha-cha-cha steps, Cuban breaks. I call them that. I'm not sure a line dance teacher would, but when I say Cuban breaks, my class know what I mean. So you're going to step left foot across and then replace your weight. You step right foot across and replace your weight. And you step left foot across and replace your weight. Okay, so I'll do that again. It goes left, replace to the side, and right, replace to the side, and left, replace to the side. Okay, so from the cha-cha-cha step forward with your right foot, you go cha-cha forward, Cuban break with your left, Cuban break with your right, Cuban break with your left. Okay, and from there, that's literally it. You're ready to start again. Your weight should be on your left foot and you get and, out, in, cha, cha, cha. So I'll dance the whole lot through for you once, and then I'll show you how you can rotate it. So you look at the different walls within your room. So yeah, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Right foot forward, left to the right, to the left. Cha-cha forward with a Cuban break, Cuban break, Cuban break. And out, in, cha, cha, cha. And out, in, cha, cha, cha. And so on, okay? So the turn comes on the first Cuban break. So I'm going to cha-cha forward, and then I'm doing my Cuban break. So I step left, replace, and when this left foot goes to the side, I turn a quarter of a turn to my left, and put my weight on the left foot. So it's still a Cuban break action, but we've just turned a quarter of a turn as I've done it. Then we do 2 more Cuban breaks facing this way. Cuban break, Cuban break. You then start the whole dance again, facing your new wall, okay? And out, in, cha, 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 and out, in, cha, cha, cha. Forwards with the right and back with the left. Side with the right, side with the left. Cha, cha, forward, Cuban break, Cuban break. And if you've turned the right way, you should now have your back to me and you won't be able to see what I'm doing. All right. And then the Cuban break to start again. Okay. But as you can see, now I'm facing you. It looks a little bit confusing as to what foot you use. Okay. So with my back to you one more time, and then it's over to you guys to have a fun weekend and enjoy learning the new dance. You get and out, in, cha, 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 and out, in, cha, cha, cha. Forwards, replace, back, replace, to the right, to the left, cha, cha, forwards, quarter turn, Cuban break, start again. Or the alternative is, you could do your Cuban break, you could do your cha-chas forwards and backwards. So if you get confused walking around the room, rotating around the room, you can actually dance your cha-cha lockstep forward and back, okay? So which is what me and Lauren do in the demonstration video. So if you want to copy that, that's fine as well. All right. Well, guys, have a good week. Hope you enjoy Mambo number 5, and I shall be back with lots more fun soon. Take care. Bye.